world has come to love. That doesn't require a remote and takes off in seconds.
Hover, take off.
The X1 Pro's new 17mm wide lens and 104-degree field of view creates uniquely dynamic perspectives. And with 4K at 120 frames per second, the X1 Pro Max lets you relive your action shots in all their slow-motion glory. Our tough leather carry case that holds 2 full additional charges, and along with our specially designed Thermo Smart battery, function in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy lightning transfer speeds with Wi-Fi 6. And the X1 Pro Max now has 8K mode. You get more cinematic possibilities and unrivaled picture quality. With rear obstacle avoidance, you can relax knowing your X1 Pro Max has eyes in the back of its head. You can also transform your beacon into a one-handed joystick for more customized control. And now with Omni Terrain, you can fly over water, snow, or even off a cliff. For a more immersive experience, plug in your phone and use the joystick with 2 hands and screen. With up to 1 kilometer long-range video transmission, you can capture more of you, your friends, and your favorite destinations.
FM. It's that time of year.
Watch me go. Follow. Unbreakable. So feel the flow. I'm unstoppable. Keep it lit, keep it hot, and I keep it tight. And the way that I move got you feeling nice. We can take it downtown, catch a party vibe. Move your body all around if the rhythm's right. Follow. Now you know. Watch me go. Unbreakable. So feel the flow. Unstoppable. Watch me go.
Quick shot modes. Hey Fly, take a droney.
Living how I like, run it day and night. Here to pick a fight. Oh. Now you know. Watch me go. Watch me go.
Even the smallest moments are worth saving, so capture them right. Meet DJI Mini 3, a compact drone that can easily capture your adventures, big and small. Battery life shouldn't be a stressor. With an extended battery, you can fly for longer. Capture life as vibrantly as it's lived, and in stunning detail. Go vertical to share the adventure on social media. And don't leave anything out. Perhaps Mini 3's best trick yet? Pick a flight pattern and turn a perfect instant into cinematic magic. Don't let a little breeze stand in the way of a perfect shot. And with a stable connection, you can go from picture perfect to picturesque. When you're done filming, just hit return to home. Mini 3 safely retires to its starting point. So, fly. DJI Mini 3.